Hey girl, hey, it's the Purple Treat Lady, also known as Renee, coming to you with another unboxing of another Christmas bag. This bag, my friends, came from my favorite place to shop, also where I have a store, Posh. So went out there looking for a bag. I saw this on I think it's Vlog with Cindy. I think that's her name. She loves gingerbread houses, and in her shopping vlogs, she had this super cute Disney purse. And I saw the purse. I had no idea what the name of the purse was, and I said, I'm going to find that bag. And so I did find it on Posh. And so I'm super excited because I'm adding it to my Christmas collection. I think in a previous video I talked about some of the other bags I have, and maybe I didn't because I haven't watched the Kate Spade unboxing video after I posted it. But I have a little collection of Christmas bags that I kind of gather from year to year. And so each year I try to find a couple of new ones. So I was super excited to find this one. Oh, I hear my alarm is going off over there. Let me go turn that off so it doesn't interrupt anything. Okay, so I'm going to unbox this. My PoshMark haul. Christmas bag. Super excited to open this bag. Do any of you collect bags during Christmas? To all of my purse girls, purse lovers, do any of you have any Christmas bags that you just absolutely love? Do you any of you collect any new Christmas bags this year? Make sure you drop below in the comments. Let me know if there's anything that I've missed out on this year, something I need to go check out as far as the Christmas collection goes. I also like New Year collection bags. You know how like there's the Chinese New Year. This year is the year of the dragon. Last year was the tiger. I'm always on the lookout for those really cute, unique bags to add to my collection. So let me know, sis. Drop it in those comments so I can go find something else new. Okay, so let's see. This is actually a 3-piece collection, everybody. 3 pieces. So I'll move this box. I'll take out each piece. And we will open them together. We will open them together. Okay. I'm super excited. Yay. So can you see what it is? So I'll do this one first. It's the Disney Loungefly Gingerbread Collection. How super cute is that? It's Mickey and Minnie and candy cane hearts with gumdrops and holly berries. Oh my, how Christmassy is this? How gorgeous. Red with gold hardware. Look at how beautiful that is inside. My goodness. This is the wallet. I tend not to carry really big wallets anymore. I used to love them. I have quite a few big wallets, but I'm going to carry this wallet. I think I'm going to wear this to a Christmas party next week. How super cute. So this is the collection. On Posh, it came with, so this is why I really love Posh, right? I was looking for one bag, and I opened the one bag I was looking for, but then I found all of this collection. The one bag I wanted was like $70, $80 on different sites. Most of them were resellers because this bag I don't think is in the making anymore. I went on Posh and I was able to grab the whole collection for less than $150, y'all. $150. One of the bags was $70 on the resale. So cool. It also has a little backpack. I'm dropping stuff over here. Little backpack. I'm trying to pick up purses, y'all. Sorry. with some mouse ears. There's white straps. You see, this bag is new with tags, sis. Okay. PoshMark has pockets on the side, on each side. Double pockets. Actually, there's triple pockets. Let me move this purse over here. This is, oh, I'll just drop this in here. This is one of my other Christmas bags that I got from Victoria's Secret. Something fancy for dinner. That's the bag that keeps falling on my side over here. But back to this haul. Okay, so back to the Posh haul. So there's pocket here. This is actually an additional piece that came with this. This actually is Mickey ears that have never been used. They're not actually a part of the bag. They're separate. So they're separate ears that you can put on your head. So separate ears, the Mickey ears, and it's still connected because it's new, of course. I'm gonna put them back in here. That's a pocket, and then this is a pocket. So it's a brand new bag. It also has that same cute interior that the wallet had. How cute is this? Super cute. Super cute. Super cute. I'm not opening this up all the way because I think I may give this to my daughter for Christmas. So that's the reason why I didn't open it up all the way, or before Christmas, so that she can carry this. So that's the reason why I'm not opening it all the way up. I'll let her do all of the other taking of the paper and taking the ears apart. And then this one is the one that I actually wanted from the collection for myself. This is the bag that I saw Cindy carrying and the one that I fell in love with. And it reminded me kind of the Dooney satchels, Dooney zips almost. And I thought, that is super cute. I actually thought it was a Dooney at first, and then saw that it was not. But it did not faze me at all, because I still wanted it. And here it is. How cute is that? I'm so excited. This is a Disney Loungefly. Look at the cuteness of the gingerbread Mickeys and Minnie. And I love the red. I love that this strap is detachable. I love that part of this, that this is a detachable strap. But there's also the padding here on that chain. It makes it a little fancy for the girls, okay? It's so cute with that gold hardware. And then look at that interior. Oh my goodness. It is Mickey Minnie Christmas candy heaven in there. My gosh. I thought that this was such a beautiful set. I love, 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 love everything about this set. I was so happy that I found it on PoshMark at a good price. And this really has made my Christmas. It's another bag I added to my collection. You know, I did this gingerbread house with the gingerbread man and the wallet just recently. So here's my second bag for Bagmas. I hope all of you ladies are getting all the bags that you want this holiday season. Make sure that you're picking up something for yourself as you shop this year, no matter what it may be. And I'll see you in my next video, ladies. Love and light to you all. And thanks for watching.